Looking for a high-quality and versatile USB microphone? Whether you're a podcaster, live streamer, voiceover artist, musician, interviewer, teacher or student, or anything in between, Saramonic has the USB microphone solution you've been looking for. Need a great-sounding, versatile mic for a less-than-ideal acoustic environment? The Saramonic SR MV2000's cardioid pickup pattern focuses on you and not the background noise, giving you a professional sound anywhere you want to broadcast or record. It features internal pop filtering and a multicolor LED display. It looks great on camera and can mount on your tabletop or to any stand or broadcast boom arm. Want more flexibility? The Saramonic SR MV7000 is a multi-pattern USB and XLR microphone that can record one or multiple people for podcasts, interviews, and live streams. Ideal for musical and vocal recording, it features selectable cardioid omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo flexibility with a 4-step gain control and low-cut filter. It also features mono, dual mono, or stereo recording direct to USB or to the dual XLR outputs. Looking for something more unique? The Saramonic Smartmic MTV500 has an eye-catching, vintage style. Designed for spoken word, it features selectable cardioid and omnidirectional pickup patterns, giving your productions a fantastic vocal sound, working solo or collaborating. How about a mic that delivers optimized sound for different recording applications? The Saramonic Smartmic MTV550 has a similar retro look and features a cardioid pickup pattern with a 75 Hz low-cut filter. It also features 5 EQ settings: vocal, ideal for vocal performance; speech, optimized for spoken word; flat, with no equalization; acoustic, for acoustic instruments; and band, ideal for multi-person bands and louder recording sources. USB-A, USB-C, and Lightning output cables are all included for use with computers and both iOS and Android devices. Need a handheld USB dynamic mic? The Saramonic SR HM7DI and SR HM7UC are ideal for handheld use and recording in noisy environments. Both include a USB-A output cable for computers, but also include either a Lightning or USB-C output cable for use with iPhones and iPads or Android mobile devices. Perfect for street interviews with your mobile device and at home connected to your computer. What about just a discrete USB lavalier? The Saramonic SR ULM10 and SR ULM10L USB lavaliers are a fantastic solution for adding a great sounding microphone to online meetings and classes or your creative projects. The omnidirectional pickup allows you to move freely and express yourself with confidence and clarity. Available with a 6.6 or 19.7 foot cable, you can choose the appropriate length to comfortably fit your needs. Whatever your microphone needs are, there is a Saramonic USB microphone that's for you, all for a remarkable price. To learn more, visit Saramonicusa.com.